Good day, I bid to our marketing lecturer, Dr. Mageswari, and my fellow classmates. We are from Group 3, Workshop 1, School of Hospitality. Before we start our presentation on our marketing plan, let's have a short introduction on our group mates who have been working together on this for the past few weeks. First of all, we have Emily Louis Era from Penang, Hee Kai Shuang from Johor Bahru, Hina Okada from Osaka, Japan, Tan Sini and me myself, Oman Aratana from Perak. Next, I'll pass the floor to Emily for her to begin our presentation.
Hi Miss and my fellow friends, I'm Amberly. Do you guys have any idea on our new product? If you don't, I highly advise you to lend me your ears about 10 minutes to our marketing plan presentation slides. And without further ado, I'm going to shed some light on the executive summary part. So this is the actual logo of Nestle, and its history started from 1866. This is the founder of Nestle, named Henry Nestle. Our group decided to come up with a new product of Nestle, and we named it as Healthyaholic Yummy Lunchbox. And we use Think Food, Think Us as our tagline. And our target market is the working mothers with children, and our competitors are Evil Foods and CP Brand. Smart Goals plays an important role in executive summary, ranging from specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. It is specific as we garner support from the public and target markets on a new product, and it is also measurable as we aim to sell 200 lunch boxes within a week. It is achievable as we use the well-known Nestle branding and the trust from the public. It is relevant as it suits the current socio-economic environment due to the pandemic. People are looking for quality products with an affordable price. If we launch our product on 1st September 2020, we will observe how the public reacts and carry out improvements based on customers' feedback every week.
Thank you, Emily, for presenting the executive summary. In this section, I'll be talking about segmentation. Segmentation is a process where marketers divide large markets into smaller segments that is easily reachable and accessible with the products and services which suits their distinct needs. In this process, we have divided our markets into 5 segments, which are senior citizen, growing kid, salesman, bodybuilder, and working mother with children. Growing kid. Growing kids are from age 5 to 16 years old. They got their pocket money from their parents. By purchasing this meal, it promotes their physical and mental health. The colorful healthy meal are able to attract picky eaters too. Next, senior citizen. Senior citizens are elder adults aged from 60 years old and above. Their buying power is due income from retirement. The benefit that they saw from buying this meal is reducing chronic disease and convenient to access. Let's move on to salesmen. They are usually 18 years and above, and their income range is from 1,000 ringgit to 3,000 ringgit. This meal provides sufficient intake of nutrients needed due to busy lifestyles. It is easy to access and convenient to purchase. Bodybuilders are normally in the range of 20 years old to 30 years old. Their income is in between 1,000 ringgit to 3,000 ringgit. They are aiming for nutrient-rich content of a diet meal to build muscles and also strong bones. Last but not least, working mother with children. Normally they are 30 to 50 years old and their household income are from both husband and wife. By buying this meal, it saves times for transportation and preparation of meals. Not only that, they do not have to worry about their children's nutrients intake.
Thanks for online, and now it's my turn. Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Kaisha. Now I would like to show about our brand's product targeting market and positioning. Our product targeting market is focused on working mother with children. Working mother need to balance their time between work and home. So if they buy our product, they can save energy by just heating our meals in a microwave. They can also skip the step of buying and cooking the ingredients, and they also can save their time to do the cleaning, and they can buy the product through online platforms such as Foodpanda and GrabFood and enjoy with the delivery service. Then turn to our positioning. We have two main competitors against with our brand's frozen meal products. The first is Evil Fruit and the second is CP brand. Evil Food's main products are frozen foods such as single-serve meal, burritos, and breakfast package. They have various menus to choose and have a special menus for vegetarians. But they have disadvantages, which is the price of their product are very expensive. The second competitor is CP brand. It was a brand established in 1975 and it has about 50 years experience in selling frozen ready meal. The price of their products are very cheap and the consumer can easily buy it in supermarket. But most of the products are fried food and they are lack of nutrition.
I want to thank you, Kaishan, for presenting on our previous slides. Now I'm going to present about the unique selling proposition. My name is Dan Xin Yi, and I'm going to present this. First, what actually makes a good value proposition? Customers need to easily understand our product, and we need to communicate specific results so that the customer will understand, and we should actually explain how it's different and better for customers. If our product is easily understood and read in 5 seconds, customers can understand it better. For the packaging, it is transparent, which enhances the overall impression of the food, which enables customers to check their food quality. We have also a green calorie label, which enables customers with food allergies to check and customers who are health conscious. Third point is that it is environmentally friendly as it is reusable and recyclable and microwavable. What actually do we offer? The things that we offer are the 3 individual set of meals, which is breakfast, lunch, and dinner. If customers buy one set of 3 different meals, they will get a free gift of 600 ml of Nestle Just Milk, which is in the diagram below. And if customers choose to top up 7 ringgit, they could get a cartoon design jute bag, which is kid friendly with a set of cutleries. Our jute bags are reusable, durable, and eco-friendly. Our jute bags also have additional printed logo and tagline, which helps us in marketing, promoting, broadcasting to those who see our jute bags, which brings us maximum return on investment, which is the ROI. Our ongoing product development and selling point is we choose vegetables that are fresh from the market, and each vegetable is handpicked and checked thoroughly before packaging. Each container is guaranteed hygienic and sanitized, but we get our products from local farmers because it is much more better than getting our products overseas, plus it can reduce carbon footprints. Our container contains food that has 5 major nutrients such as carbohydrate, protein, mineral, vitamin, and lipid. We choose brown rice, which is a whole grain which contains the bran and germ, which is much better because it has fibers and antioxidants. It actually helps to reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes, and lowering blood sugar levels, which is really good for health conscious customers. Below is a diagram of brown rice, which is still green. Thank you.
Moving on to the marketing mix, which consists of the 4 Ps, ranging from product, price, place, and promotion. The product is defined as the goods and services combination of the company offers to the target market. Our group came up with a healthy meal idea, and hence our new product is a health-conscious meal, which also provides additional cartoon lunchbox bags for kids and adults. Our lunchbox bag is high in quality because it is heat-insulated, environmental friendly, long-lasting, durable, reusable, and protects contents from harmful UV light rays. It is also a pre-packaged, ready-to-eat and microwavable meals. We choose aluminium foil to be the outer layer, which is safe and microwavable. We also include the green calorie label on the outside layer, which is beneficial for people who are allergic to certain ingredients such as nut. As you can see, the product is covered by a transparent cover, which provides the customer to have a glance through whether our product is in a good condition before they decide to make a purchase. Furthermore, the price is defined as the amount of money customer pay in exchange for product or service. Our product is 8 ringgit 90 cents each, but if the consumer decide to buy it in a set of 3, which consists of breakfast, lunch, and dinner, it will only cost them 21 ringgit, and they will get an eco-friendly jute bag by just topping up 7 ringgit along with a set of free cutleries. Our competitors sell their mushroom soup at 25 ringgit, and when the time passed by, I definitely believe that the customer will realize that our product brings benefits to them in the long run, which leads to repeated purchase and customer loyalty. In addition, the definition of place is a type of distribution network for item shipping, and depending on the market preference, items can be shipped to different locations. And our product is highly available at shopping malls, 7-Elevens, and Family Mart. They can also buy our product through Foodpanda or GrabFood due to the current pandemic situation. And they can even order directly from the Nestle websites and have chances to redeem a 20 ringgit voucher for a minimum purchase of 50 ringgit. Last but not least is the promotion. And it refers to activity that promote the benefits of the product and convince customer to purchase the specific product. As marketers, we will definitely try our best to promote our new product through advertisement, such as social media application, such as Instagram. And we can also conduct a lucky draw session or contest to attract attention and encourage our customers to participate by sharing it to the public. Or we can choose to upload attractive posts regarding our new products and features to raise the recognition of the product. They can always get up to date by just referring to our social media app. Slowly, this will gain their attention, and thus, the consumer-generated marketing concept is used to maximize the return of investment for advertising our product.
Thank you, Amberly. Next, I'm gonna talk about the steps of launching the product. This is our Gantt chart. Mainly we will spend enough time to make product, calculate profit, and make product better after we receive some feedback. In conclusion, there are 2 points to make our product to be successful in a year. First one is conducting a survey. To understand the customer needs and trends, we will spend enough time to conduct a survey. Also, it will help to get attention from customers. As I showed earlier in Gantt chart, we will spend 2 months. Next is distributing free samples. It is difficult to get attention to a new product in a short period of time. However, Nestle has a lot of potential customers because Nestle is one of the most famous food and beverage companies. We will distribute free samples to those customers who buy Nestle products during a fixed period. This has aimed to get attention and raise name recognition. Also, we can check reputation to improve the product.